Well, I decided to cross the bridge just to see how the stream was running. And well, I don't know, it seems to bypass this now and just still comes around there and then comes over here. And obviously it bypasses that there too and comes down around here, and well, it makes lots of noise anyway. It's not running very hard because it's not, well, it rained last night quite hard, and it's thundered and lightning, which wouldn't make any difference to the water, but it's kind of one of these catch-22s. You wouldn't mind if it rained a fair amount, just due to you know, the garden being watered and all that. Actually, it seems like the water comes there and comes down over here too. So there's a lot of bypassing instead of going over that part there. But yeah, it'd be nice if we just had, you know, say 3 days of rain and 4 days of sun. That'd be like a perfect world, wouldn't it? That would work out pretty good. But I guess we're just lucky we're getting rain as it is. But there's obviously enough water just to go over the rocks and make all kinds of nice sounds. We have different sounds from different heights of drop, I guess it would be. I'm not sure how well it actually comes up on the video here, but standing here, even though there's water on the road and traffic's going by, the water is drowning out that sound quite well. Yeah, in case somebody just wants to listen to a little bit of water. One of these days maybe I'll just set up the camera and let it go for 10 minutes, and so people can just hear the sound of water without leaving their house, I guess. Oop. you can hear the different sounds. Like I say, I was trying to get the water to go that way, but if I was to dam it up here, I guess I could have it flowing over that way. I was thinking about making some type of a pool there so that it would come down off of this into a pool and then go that way. But water is finding its own way down the hill, as it usually does. Well, I just hope you enjoy the sound of the water. Cheers.